Guys, I've lately been talking about indigenous trees, and the biggest question is, what do we replace with, and where do we get these seedlings? So today I visited Silver Oak Mazingira. You can search their page, and I'll be tagging it here. Uh, they have indigenous trees that can both survive in highlands, lowlands, and the tropics. So if you're in tea zone growing zone, you are sorted. Those who are in coffee zone, you are sorted. Those who are in the drylands, they are sorted. So one
about conservation of African indigenous trees. This is one of those trees that I would highly recommend, Newtonia buchanani, otherwise known as mokoi in Gikuyu. And then it thrives very well in wetlands and near riverines. So if you have a high water table in your farm, or if you have a lot of water for it, it grows to be a very big tree, more than 30 feet tall.
and it's have a very hard wood.
Very hard wood.
Yes.
You actually can't actually nail it. You can
Yes.
only screw it.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is mahogany right next to it. Very hard wood as well. Yeah. And if you need quick shade, if you need to achieve quick shade in your driveways, this is the tree to go for. Next to it is a very unique and interesting shrub. It doesn't grow to be a tree per se. It's a shrub with disguised thorns underneath. It's called Dovialis abyssinica. The name for Kayapo is Dovialis afla or kafra. So this is abyssinica, the indigenous one to East Africa. Dovialis kafra is indigenous to South Africa. So you can make your marmalade through its very nice fruits.
So this is the Mokambura.
That's Mokambura.
Okay.
The other one is Kayafa.
Okay.
Yes.
Mainly grows in around riverines.
Riverines, and you can also make some very nice fence with it.
Okay.
Yeah. Good. Next, there's an interesting tree here. Usually abused by people, but if nicely used, it can be a very good aphrodisiac. Mira. Okay. Mira tree. You can make your smoothies with the twigs. You put in your juices, and it enhances blood circulation in your system. That's why people don't sleep when they have it, because it increases oxygen in your brain. You're able to be a little more creative. Stories are Jabba, if you can think of that.
Okay.
An African fruit called mudegeredu or Grewia similis. It can be a very good fodder for your goats, and also the fruits have a hard part inside that can be ground into flour. That is very nutritious for kids. Okie dokie. So we move on to a landscaping tree called this one here. If you want to replace your driveways with African indigenous tree, replacing jacaranda, this would be the best tree. I'm forgetting the name.
We call it Mohatia in Kikuyu.
No, it's not. Mohatia is Brideria micranta is Mokoigo. Yeah, I'm forgetting the name.
Okay.
But it's very good for your driveways. And this, of course, is Wabugia ugandensis, Mudiga, the king of medicine. Mudiga.
Yes.
In Kikuyu, Mudaiga is medicine, so Mudiga. Next to it, coincidentally, is Moiri, another highly medicinal African indigenous tree. Okay, for prostate cancer. A forest is not complete if you don't have climbers in it. Hypocrotea abyssinica is one of those climbers that you put in the floor of an established forest, so that you have an ecosystem of not just trees and shrubs, but even climbers. Next to it is Kereroa, the famous Kereroa, Croton dichogamus. Croton dichogamus. You put it in your soups to strengthen the joints. Then here we have another interesting species called Mukinyei. Mukinyei Euclea divinorum. Very good for your mswaki, you know, brushing your teeth. And this is Munyamati. It is termite resistance. And the seeds, if you rub them on your fist, they have some very nice oil that you can apply on your skin, which is your biggest organ anyway, and you can eat it through that.
So you mean we can replace this with eucalyptus? So eucalyptus for fencing poles, we can replace this?
Yeah, this grows real fast.
Yeah.
And then the good thing, it has the properties of Mutaraqua, but Mutaraqua takes a very long time to grow.
Yeah, sure.
So the scent that comes from it, if you get a leaf like this, very nice scent. So that scent is termite resistant.
I know of weevils. It's because we used to build it and we didn't experience weevils.
That's it,
problem.
yeah. So you can build your granaries with it as well.
Okay. And a fencing solution.
Yeah. And also, for ornamental, because the seeds are orange.
Yeah, sure.
And it really produces many.
It's someone who wants to attract birds.
Yes, birds and bees, pollinators generally, and even butterflies. Yeah.
Okay.
It's more than 2 years old. Small as it seems. This is moteta, the famous moteta. Highly medicinal. You put it in your soups, bones broth. Okay, so it takes care of the inflammation of the joints, and it makes your bones stronger. Moteta.
Yeah.
This we only sell on orders. You order it and then we keep it for you. It's only 4,000 per piece. Okay.
Get to Mohote.
This is Mohote, you're right. Mohote. Elytrina abyssinica. It's in the bean family. You see, it looks like a bean. So it's good for agroforestry because it will fix nitrogen in your soil. Yeah, so the bean family.
Okay. Then it has very medicinal. It can be used as cocks.
Yes, it can be used as cocks, and it can also build hives, log hives. The inside of the hive, you can remove the stem, the pith, and then you remain with the log hive. Yeah.
The next
is Chionanthus batiscobae. Chionanthus batiscobae. Very good. You look at the tip of this is reddish. So the leaves are beautiful, sometimes even turning blue, and it grows tall. We have it in a compound. I'll show you in a bit. And it's also good for your timber.
So it's fast growing.
It's fast growing, yeah. We are trying to demystify the notion that African indigenous trees grow
very slow,
which is not true.
Yeah.
Very fast growing African indigenous tree with a very nice aroma. Okay, we have a kiln there, I'll show you later, where we burn slowly the wood, and then we get the scent of it, and then we also get vinegar from its wood, and you can put it in your barbecue. It smells so nice.
Yeah.
And it grows real fast, so you can replace it with your graverias and eucalyptuses.
Yes.
If you want something that will grow very fast. And it's endangered. It's actually restricted for harvesting by the government.
Yeah.
Because it's been overexploited for wood. Wood is pricey for the furniture industry. So it's endangered.
So those who have been asking, what do we replace our gravelia with and the eucalyptus? Now you have the answer.
Mohuru,
this is one of the fast growing.
Mohuru, Vitex keniensis.
Yeah.
Mohuru,
Yeah.
Amameru oak.
Yes.
Yes. And it's also medicinal. The fruits which are purplish in color, if you remove that juice from it, it ameliorates the effects of prostate cancer as well, just like Moiri does.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the king of the oils. Okay. The oils in your spa, the essential oils. This is sandalwood, modudi. Sandalwood, you can actually not harvest it without an express permission from the government. It's highly poached. So we are trying to bring back the trees that are highly poached into the ecosystem. And these are different kind of figs. You realize that we put them here deliberately because you realize this has a bigger leaf, a broader leaf than this. So this can grow in places where we don't have a lot of water. This can grow in places where we have lots of water. Sycamore.
Yeah.
Okay. So it breaks your water table. Artesian wells, if you want a tree that will grow deep and give you water, this and all the figs, including the ficus, dongini, mugumo.
Yeah.
But these are mikoyos. My friend here is calling them motodorima. I'm hearing that for the very first time.
Okay, motodorima has a dark leaf. No, you don't have it here.
Okay.
But it's very dark. Yeah.
I know them as sycamores. Start to be
Yeah, it's very close to the mokoyo. Now this one has a very dark leaf.
Yeah.
There we go.
Mudegera, Podocarpus falcatus. There are two types of podos. There's latifolia and there's falcatus. Needle-like leaves can grow in places where there is no a lot of water. The other one has broader leaves. Pricey wood for your furniture and building poles. Very good.
Podo.
Yeah. This is a climber called Cyphostema. Onyanyaga. Okay, we talked about a forest without a climber is not a complete forest.
Yeah, sure.
Because when this is flowering, this will not be flowering because this might flower even with minimal rainfall.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. People keep asking whether you can do landscaping with African indigenous tree. This is one of the answers. Beautiful yellow flowers. This tree is called Mo in Gikoyo. In Luya it's called Luciora, and in Luo it's called Siala. Okay, Macamia lutea. Macamia lutea.
It was one of the fast growing trees.
Yes.
That can replace
Mokemas, your mokemas, and
yeah.
then and blue gum.
Yeah.
Very fast growing. And in Western Kenya they use it for demarcation of lands. So it grows really fast.
Okay.
And they also get the walking sticks from it because it's malleable. You can be able to train it into any shape. Okay.
Yeah.
Would have.
We go on.
So melliferous trees are those that would have lots of foliage for the bees and the pollinators. So this is one of them. Mutoma in Gikoyo. The botanical name is eluding me, but I'll remember in a bit. So if you want to do beekeeping, Mutoma in Gikoyo will be your tree. It grows in the highlands.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go on.
If you're serious about African indigenous, people call it alternative medicine. I disagree. This is the original medicine because it's food. It doesn't have any side effects. So this is one of the super dawas or superfoods, I would call it. Okay, gawa.
Yeah.
Okay, Carissa eduris.
Or natal plum.
Natal plum.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Has
the root,
equal vitamin C with the orange.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually high. It's a bit
A
high.
little higher.
Yeah.
So this is what Babua Roriodo was boiling for people.
Yes.
The medicine man from Tanzania.
Yeah.
So gawa. So we are also trying to promote the African indigenous fruits.
Yes.
They might be small in size, but highly potent. It's better than your conventional mango, avocado,
Or the grapes.
Or the grapes.
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. So it's better than that. So you have it in bigger size, plantable size as well. That's all gawa with some thorns on it. An adaptation that can also grow in